Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a ship.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so disclaimer, I want to first say, before we even get into this video, I hope you guys can see me good because I ain't got in my contacts and I ain't got on my glasses, okay? Maybe I should put on my glass. Let me put on my glass. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So that's much better. Now I can see. Okay. Now I can see. For those of you who don't know, I do actually wear glasses. I'm not wearing contacts for cosmetic reasons, even though they are colored contacts. And I wear colored contacts because I had a traumatic experience with clear contacts where it broke in my eye and I couldn't find it because it was clear. And I haven't worn them since. So that's why I don't wear clear contacts. But let's get into this video, okay? So I hope my glasses aren't throwing anybody off because I do wear glasses. So, but I never really see people wear their glasses in videos. I didn't before because I thought it was a glare thing. But anyways, I digress. Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Gorgius Wigs. I think it's Gorgius Wigs or Gorgius Hair. Shout out to you, Gorgius, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. This is my first time working with this company and honey, so far, your girl is not disappointed, okay? Alright, so the unit that I am rocking is their natural super double drawn rosy curl wig with bang, okay? And I chose this particular wig because honestly I was loving what the models was giving, honey, okay? You guys know I live for a good look, okay? I live for a good look and the models were given with this particular unit. Okay, so this unit is available in both 6 to 8 inches. I'm not 100% sure which one they sent me. Hopefully I have all the information listed down below. I'll probably go with the 8 inches, but I could be wrong. It could be 6, but I'm gonna go with the 8 inches. The color that it comes in is natural black. Okay, so details and specs says 100% human hair, realistic, light and heat resistant, medium cap, size with adjustable straps. Security is 3 combs and elastic band, and it says easy glueless install. Okay, so those are all the specs, the details, all those good things about this unit. In my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I think it does gear more towards to medium to large head friendly than small to medium head friendly. That's just my opinion, but I am an average cap size, so do what you want to do with that. I say that because I had to adjust the straps, and anytime I have to adjust the straps, I deem a unit to be more so big head friendly than not. So girl, do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, girl. Do whatever what you want to do with it. As far as shedding and tangling straight out the packaging, I did not get any of the tings. That's not to say, oh girl won't do any of the things. It's just that straight out of the packaging, she did not. And with this unit, there's no lace whatsoever, and like there's nothing that you have to do to this wig. So that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so the only con that I could just come up with this unit is the fact that it doesn't have any lace. And I know these days a lot of times people are a little skeptical when it's a unit that doesn't come with any lace because it can give off wiggy. In my opinion, this unit doesn't give wiggy because it's so full and fluffy that I don't think people would even be looking for the lace. You know what I mean? Like, it's just the type of unit that I don't feel like would be looking for the lace, but I know that can be a con for some people, so that's going to be my con. My pros is it's the ultimate beginner friendly human hair wig. Like, period. Okay, y'all, like, y'all, it's given. Like, the curls were already curling. There was no lace to cut off. There was nothing to bleach. There was nothing to do other than to put this wig on my head, and I love that for me. I love that for me. Like, y'all know I'm lazy. Y'all know I give mom. So to me, this is the perfect beginner friendly mom unit. Now granted, with my glasses, it may be looking a little too mom for some of you guys, but I think it just gives, like, to me, when I actually style, used to, because honey, I keep it short now, but used to be when I would style my hair, this was sort of the look I was going for. This is kind of the look that my cousin Ashley does with her big hair. Her big hair don't care. My cousin Tamira, they kind of do these sort of looks, and I love this sort of look. So yeah, those are my pros with this unit. It's the ultimate beginner friendly wig, girl. It just is. Yes, I would personally recommend this wig. I have seen this wig done multiple times in synthetic units, but I've never had it in a human hair wig. So if you're looking for a human hair alternative to this look, this is it. I feel like I said, it's the ultimate beginner friendly wig. So yes, I would obviously recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. Ew. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. Sound off down below in the comments. You guys know I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. So sound off in the comments, honey. Once again, shout out to you, Gorgeous, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hello to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style.